Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OnePlus Ace 3. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Then select child or teen and click next. Now click on add or create account for your child and select Google. Now you have to type in your child email address and click next. Now you have to enter your child password and now scroll down and click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept and now select your account. Now you have to enter your parent email address and now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down and right here you have to enter your child password again. Now you can click close and then click next. And as you can see, your parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.